Hi, I'm Reverend Jennifer Crumpton, author of Femme Evangelical, The Modern Girl's Guide to the Good News. So today, Kim Davis, the Kentucky county clerk who has refused to issue same-sex marriage licenses, was sentenced to jail by a federal district court in Kentucky. As a Christian, I applaud the decision. Religious bullying and oppression has gone way too far. This country was founded on the freedom of religion, meaning everyone can believe whatever they want, but no one can force others to believe or practice what they believe. Freedom of religion means we must all learn to practice our different faiths without diminishing others' ability to practice theirs. I'm a Christian, but Kim Davis and I worship two completely different gods. Hers hates homosexuality and will send her to hell for signing a marriage license for a same-sex couple. My God says love is love and blesses that love no matter what it looks like. Whose God gets to decide the law in the United States? Neither, because America is not a theocracy, we're a democracy. One individual's personal interpretation of the Bible does not inform our laws. No one religion rules the land. I can only imagine what Kim Davis would say if a Muslim or a Jew was working in her court position, deciding who could get married and where and when and how, and flagrantly overriding the law. I bet you anything she'd call it terrorism. Freedom of religion does not mean that one version of one particular religion can be used to oppress others and take away their legal rights and equal standing. Mike Huckabee is seriously misled. Kim Davis is nothing like Martin Luther King Jr. The idea itself is frankly offensive to the bravery and inclusivity of the civil rights leader. Kim is no hero, she's no martyr, she's a religious bully who tried to use her government position to illegally deny rights to people who hold different beliefs than she does. If she cannot be fair and impartial and uphold the law for all citizens of the United States, she has no business being in her job and should quit immediately. We have choices in America, and if she can't fulfill her duty for the land of the free, she can choose another job. Hobby Lobby rudely said the same thing to female employees they refused to cover for birth control, so I think conservatives should consider living by their own rules. But if it makes Kim feel any better, she's wrong about Scripture. Jesus never says one thing about homosexuality. He talks about the marriage dynamic between men and women in response to one specific contextual question posed within his cultural milieu. When we actually stop putting words in Jesus' mouth, we see that his only message is equality, wholeness, justice, and love. That's what Kim Davis should be giving.